Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to take scroll screenshots in any Windows computer. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. So once you log into this website, you can see its web page, and here you can see a download options. So you need to click on the download. Now here you will get the two version of the software. One is a free, that is for the home users, and one is a professional, that is for the professional peoples. But I'll highly recommend you can use the free version, as it will provide everything that will be available for professionals too. So you click on this download and you install it. And even if you want a portable version, that is which is smaller in size, then you can download a portable version which don't need installations. You can directly run the program without installing. But if you want the program to get installed, then click on this download options. So you download and install it. As I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it firstly. So after downloading and installing, what you need to do is open or run that software. As you can see, it's user interface. Once you open this software, so here you can see a scrolling window. So let's test it how it works. So you can see this is a web page. You can see its complete web page here. I'm just showing you an example. Complete web page. So we'll take this complete web page screenshots. So how you can do it? So launch again this pics. Now what you need to do is just click on this scrolling window. Just left click on it once. Now before proceeding further, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, press Ctrl Alt and hold it. Don't release it, keep holding it. Ctrl Alt. Now move this mouse cursor, just left click on your mouse and just drag it once, and just now after sliding one time, just you can release the Ctrl Alt button and even the left click button. Just release all the buttons, even the Ctrl Alt buttons also, and even the left click mouse button, you can release it now. Now you can see the scrolling effect. So it is capturing the entire page by scrolling effect. So you can see the entire web page has been captured using this scrolling screenshots and using this software named as PicPic. So in my opinion, it's very useful if you're willing to take a scroll screenshot or the entire web page or any articles or anywhere, documents, everything. So you can try this software, and I'm sure it is very useful for your day-to-day life uses, and I'm sure in somewhere and someday you will definitely need it while using your computer. So try this cool software by yourself, and if you find any difficulty using this software, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.